guys, what's up? It is Landon Gamer here / Ultimate Pig
and Team Mom and Friends.
Since you heard this, you know that Thomas is with us. Let's just play. Almost there. Well, that is true. That it's almost there, guys.
Yes. So, guys, also, after you watch this video, go on over to Landon's other videos, and after that, go on over to my channel. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna try and find somewhere where to go.
That's how you attack.
I know.
Oh, no, it's not. Hi, Mr. Human.
Hi, humans.
Wait, do his minigame. Whenever they're highlighted in green, that's a minigame. I learned that from Deer Simulator.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Make sure you have
I love mushrooms, but I cannot go to the forest because I hurt my toe.
What? Okay.
Could you collect some more mushrooms for me? Sure.
So where?
Now you have to go to the forest. Follow the arrow.
Okay. Let's go behind me.
Yep. So guys, today me and Landon are playing Fox Simulator.
Yep. Oh yeah, and
I
Maisie.
think it's Space Time.
Die.
So guys, today we're playing Fox Simulator.
Yes. And I'm joined with Maisie like always.
/ Team Mom and Friends also. Don't forget about me, guys.
Yep. Maisie isn't the only one with me today.
Yep. Landon was out of town, guys, so then
Yeah.
I couldn't be in his videos because I stayed at my house.
Oh, there's a bear! No, is that a buffalo or a bear?
Here, attack it.
Attack it? How do I attack
No,
it?
just follow the arrow and go into the forest. So then you can collect.
Run for your life! Guys, so first, like always, I'm doing a shapeshift series like Team Mom and Friends.
I haven't done a shapeshift video in a long time.
I know, especially. Okay, stop running. That's enough.
There's a snake up here
Oh yeah, I see it.
on the map.
Yep. Wait a minute, is it a whoa?
Run! It will try to attack you. See, it just took some of your.
Run for your life. Run! Okay,
Go into the boss hut.
I am. Oh, it's a secret fox, guys. Just cruising through the water, about to make a sneak attack on the animal up there.
Animal?
No, animal. I said animal.
You said animal first.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Guys, can I tell you something really funny? So, guys, yesterday I went to Waterworld with my dad's girlfriend's son. So then I kept on a water ride. I kept saying, "We're stuck. We're stuck." And he was like, "No, we're not." But then when we were going down the speeding mountain, which you're supposed to go speeding fast on, guys, all of a sudden the boat literally stopped, and he was like, "We're stuck." Where?
That was awfully loud.
I bet not for them because they can't hear us that good.
Yeah. Guys, again, like always, comment down below which video game you want me to play in the next episode.
I was gonna do that, but I couldn't think of what Poke games they had.
Oh, yeah, and guys, like always, like I said, always, guys, like I said, you always have to, comment down below, leave this a thumbs up, and subscribe, and then I'll pick a chosen one.
By the way, do you want to know how you're getting most of your views? Because I told my channel about your channel. Okay.
I have 5 subscribers.
I know. I subscribed on 2 different systems.
And my family subscribe to me too. Oh my gosh, guys, this is.
Oh, you collected a mushroom instead.
I know. My controls are being weird. Like
Guys,
always.
I'm gonna do a video today also after this uploads.
And it's called what?
Wait, there's a mushroom behind you.
Oh, there is.
Didn't you see it?
No.
No, turn around. It was on the ground. You need to attack them.
How do I attack?
Stop.
Oh yeah.
See? You just have to click.
Okay, I didn't know that.
No, well, you can't do it while you're moving.
Yep, try again.
And you lost. They got you.
Yeah, I'm not doing that mission. It takes too long.
Yeah, we already only have less than 10 minutes left of the video.
Yeah, just because of his dumb mission. I'm gonna go exploring and take on somebody.
Like I did in Deer Simulator.
Yep. I'm not trying to copyright him. I'm just
No,
trying.
you're not copywriting, Landon.
I know. I like.
Honestly, I copyrighted you when I did the floor is lava on the exact same day you did it.
You kind of did, because I saw you comment when you said I did the floors of lava too.
But also, it's not that copyright because, of course, we're gonna make the bros, right?
Yeah.
Which means the bros do the same games. Guys, the bros isn't out yet, but the bros is gonna be a channel. Eat. So guys, the bros is gonna be a channel where basically it just has all of the bros, Cooper, T-Mom and Friends, Random Gamer / Ultimate Pig, Connor, I think, CNCO? Yeah, CO.
I think that's it.
Yep, 5 bros. So guys, the channel isn't made yet.
Yep. Maybe I can make. Maybe we could both make the bros, and we could both have the same password, so we could both upload our videos on the same channel. Bye, cat.
No, don't attack the cat. I like cats. Hey!
Okay, I was just. I need meat.
Yeah, get the milk from the cow. You can go inside of him after you get him, and then get milk from him.
I'm taking on him.
This is life as a wolf, guys. No, fox.
Yeah, fox.
I think they actually do have a wolf simulator.
Yeah, wolves are my favorite animal.
Oh, mine is dog.
My second favorite is snow leopard.
Pussy shut his eyes by himself.
I know he did that before. Come here, cat.
So guys, I have a pet velociraptor named Portree.
I have one named Furious.
That's his little greeting for you. He doesn't like being on YouTube that much.
Yeah, mine likes being famous a lot.
Because Portree is really sensitive around new people, but he seems to like random.
Yeah, even though this like is that cat is being annoying.
It's only his second time seeing him. No, don't get the cat. Dude, you can't move while you're attacking.
I know.
Get the human.
Fine, I need the humans or more meat.
Wait, but there's a snake right there. You should probably get first. Because that will attack you.
So I can get my revenge on his brothers. Die. Oh my gosh, that snake's weak. Eat.
Okay, now go get the human.
Okay, now I can go get the human.
No, he's that way. No, wrong way, wrong.
No, there's another human over here.
Oh, get him.
What?
Oh, you missed him.
Come here, potato.
Potato.
Potato, come here. I know you're a potato. Hey, stop running away from me.
Potato.
Okay. Fox leader, we are here. We have a different suspect we're chasing.
Yep. I baked you a pie, potato. Hey, potato.
Potato, we baked you a pie. Come here.
Oh boy, what flavor? It's pie flavor.
Come here. That's it. I'm gonna make you scared of me. Oh, guys, and also I was going to the park. Oh yeah, guys. Also, my birthday's on Tuesday, and
Wait, it is?
yeah, my birthday's on Tuesday.
You invite me.
My birthday party's on Tuesday though.
You still invite me.
Yeah, I'm still inviting you. My I
No,
got
get the scarecrow. That's even more stuff.
Okay, guys. Guess what?
No, get the scarecrow.
Yesterday, for my papa's here. He got me he got me a scooter.
Oh yeah, and guys, also soon on my channel I will have Wii videos, but I don't have them yet because I haven't actually. Wait, I can do that today.
Bear. Is that a bear or a buffalo? I can't tell.
So guys, today after Landon finishes his video, me and Landon together are gonna do a video on my Wii.
Yep.
Using a computer. We're gonna get the computer set up where it will record the Wii.
Guys, and also remember to check out Cooper's channel too. We have a video on Cooper, with Cooper, me, and Thomas in one of our videos.
So 3 of the bros.
Yep.
That could have been a bros video, but we didn't have the bros made yet.
Yep.
We still don't.
Yeah, like I said, me and Thomas could make the same channel and also have the same password,
We will.
so we could upload.
We'll share passwords for
yeah.
the bros.
Because why not?
Because the bros isn't your channel, it's not Theo's channel, it's not my channel, it's not Cooper's, it's not Connor's, it's not any of ours, it's all of ours.
Oh, who's attacking me?
Behind you.
Is that a human?
It's a wolf.
I'm sorry, favorite animal. I have to do this. I have to do this to survive, favorite animal.
I'll help you.
Okay.
Guys, I'm helping Landon click right
Die
now.
potato. Everybody I see is a potato because they taste like potatoes. Am I even attacking him?
No, pick it up. Why didn't you pick it up? You could have stored the food. Okay.
Okay, let's go get another animal.
Can I play just for 1 sec because it's almost over?
Sure.
Guys, the video is almost over, but
It's lagging, like always.
yep, all videos do this. And I am gonna go get myself some sheep. No, is that a sheep?
Or is that a bighorn sheep?
I don't know what that is.
Is that a sheep or a bighorn sheep? Well, they're basically the same thing. It looks like a bighorn sheep. Ow, it's attacking me.
I know. It's lagging too much.
I'm not going to fight.
Yeah, no, pick up the food, because look, now we store it.
Oh.
Okay, so guys, that will definitely be it.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and comment. And also, if you're new to me, subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye!